All right, here's example 1 for simplifying radicals. If you're asked to simplify a square root of 147, I have your notes, the notes that you were given in class on the side right here. Step number 1 tells you to write the prime factorization of your radicand. So 147, we're going to break down into radicals. 2 doesn't go into 147, 3 doesn't go in, 5 doesn't go in, but 7 does. 7 goes into 147 21 times. Okay, now it goes into 21. 2 doesn't go into 27. I'm sorry, 3 doesn't go into 21. Start again. 2 doesn't go into 21, but 3 goes into 21 7 times. All right, let's see now what goes into 7. Well, I know 7 goes into 7. It goes 1 time. So this that birthday cake way we were talking about in class. To break down 147, you would have 7 times 7 times 3. You have 2 7s and a 3. Step number 2 is determine the index of the radical. There is no number here, so that means the index is automatically a 2. That leaves us number 3. If the index is 2, circle the groups of 2 identical numbers or variables. If the index is 3, circle the groups of 3 identical numbers or variables, etc. Well, we have an index of 2, so I'm going to circle the groups of 2. There's 2 7s. All right, the number of variables of each group will show up outside the radical symbol 1 time. So there is 1 7. Anything left, step number 4. Step number 5, anything left unchecked will remain under the radical. In this case, the only thing left is a 3. If everything under the radical symbol is circled, the radical symbol will disappear. Note there's a 3 there. Multiply the numbers and variables outside the radical together. You don't need to, because there's only one of each. Now to check it, you're going to put it in your calculator. My calculator will work for me. Okay, first the square root of 147, second x squared. 147 is, and put the right number in. Second x squared 147 is 12.12 about, and 7 square root of 3 is also 12.1243, blah blah blah. That's how you know it is correct.